Here, now this one of our vendors that's been, they do detailing. And as you can see there in the booth there, folks comes in, they get their cars detailed with their products. Their products are very specialized in doing the proper cleaning and shining. Let's see, there was a NC Miata that came out of California and going through Utah. He ran through some of this crazy mudsling. Oh, it's not really a mud puddle. It's more like a sand puddle, and his whole car was just covered it. And he came here and they cleaned him right up. So, well, can you tell us something about your, the products that you sell to help, Miata owners to keep their cars shined up and clean and so forth?
We're powered by Croftgate USA, and it's out of North Carolina. There we go.
There you go.
So our company here is Palm Breeze Detailing.
Palm Breeze,
car care.
yeah. Palm Breeze Detailing.
So we have some wash and wax, multi-clean. We have a quick and slick, which is a polish protectant sealant.
Okay.
Once you get the car clean, then we put that on there, and it continues to bond to the surface of the vehicle up to 24 hours after it's applied. And it gives a nice finish, and you're going to see if it rains like it has today, ask some of these people that's had their cars decaled and went, uh-oh, we just take a rag and wipe it right back off. So.
All right, thanks, Larry.
Thank you.